Starting up the Elk Knob trail. No skiing or snowboarding, huh? It's a 1.9 mile trail to the summit of Elk Knob. Not a very difficult trail, but maybe a little bit interesting today with the snow and ice. Looks pretty frosty coming up, and the top may be clouded in. Starts out very mild with kind of a graveled walking path. Okay, looks like it's spiked time for the first time this season. Let's get these on because it looks like I'm going to be dealing with that from here on out. Okay, I'm spiked up and at 4,980 feet. Man, this makes a difference. Hitting the 1 mile point, coming up to the first, well, really the only overlook besides the summit, either side of the summit. Pretty awesome views. Everything frosted over for sure. And thank goodness for the spikes. Coming up to the 1.5 mile point. This is just over 5,300 feet elevation. So this is about the same elevation as the summit of Sugar Mountain Resort where I work. The trail isn't covered really anymore with snow yet than it was, but it's still covered, and there's a huge snow forecast 2 days from now. So I wanted to get something in before the big dump. This trail in general isn't very steep until this last pitch to the summit. Then it gets a little steeper and a little technical, or adds a little more technicality anyway. I won't exactly call this a technical trail, but this section does increase in steepness. You can see the rime ice on the trees as approaching the summit. Looks like it's going to be clouded in and not that great of a view, perhaps. There's 2 overlooks at the summit. The north view is actually the peak. Nice miniature meadow here. Not gonna have much scenic, but at 5,520 feet, we're in the clouds for sure. Nice bench for people to rest on. And coming up to the summit. Nice miniature meadow here. Not gonna have much scenic, but at 5,520 feet, we're in the clouds for sure. Nice bench for people to rest on. And a nice little deck to keep people from falling off the edge. You can see a little bit through the clouds. Not much. And this is what would be able to see if not so cloudy. You can see generally from here Mount Rogers, Three Top Mountain, Mount Jefferson, Bald Mountain, Pilot Mountain, visible only on very clear days. That's all the way near or north of Winston-Salem. And a little history on Elk Knob. I'll go over to the south view, see if we can see any better. Yeah, take a look at the south view before heading back down. It looks like the clouds are moving out a little bit. Can see some of the mountains in the distance now. And there it's moving back in, starting to lose it again. But here's the guide with the mountains that we could see if it were clear. Snake Mountain, there it is, directly across. Yeah, there go clouds. Rich Mountain. Roan Mountain, way back in the background there. Beach Mountain. And Sugar Mountain, where I work. Now it's covered again. Oh well. Hope you enjoyed the hike. Hope we can do more of these. Please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Blue Ridge Backroads and Adventures. See you next time. Stay warm.